Hi everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add animations to text and images in Smallppt. Open your generated slide and click on the text or image you would like to animate. An editing panel will appear on the right side. Select Animation, then click Add Animation. A wide range of animations is available, categorized into 3 types: entrance, exit, and emphasis effects. Hover your cursor over any animation to preview the effect before selecting it. Set the duration to control the speed of the effect, then choose the trigger type to determine how the animation starts during your presentation. The same steps apply when adding animations to text elements. That's how you add and customize animations for text and images in Smallppt. Try applying different animation styles to make your slides more dynamic and engaging.